Hi there, I'm Denise Plant, and the best part of any holiday is the food, of course. It's the 4th of July, so we asked our DIY expert, Vida to mix in stars and stripes. Look what she came up with.
Hi everybody. Okay, so I love 4th of July. One of the reasons is it's right after my birthday, so I make it a big celebration. But there's nothing more important than spending time with your family during the holiday and enjoying yourself, not spending a lot of time in the kitchen cooking. So I found a couple of 4th of July recipes that are super easy, the family will love, and it will not kill your time.
First, let's start with our 7-layer flag bean dip. Lay out refried beans on the bottom. Next, guacamole, salsa, sour cream. Top it off with white cheese, black olives for the flag, and cherry tomato halves for the stripes. Now it's time for our star watermelon skewers. Use star cookie cutters to cut out the different size stars. Put blueberries on a skewer. And then top it off with the watermelon star. Put the skewers in the glass. And add blueberries. That's it.
So I hope you have a wonderful Independence Day.
Wow, that was so cute. I'm going to try that when I get home. We're going to post those recipes on our website at coloradoandco.com. You can find all of Vida's DIY tips by subscribing to her YouTube channel, the Parenting Channel. You can also check out her website at cookcraftkids.com.